Everyone, welcome to week 70 of my journey. I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you've been following my journey or new to my channel, you know that I just got a listing a few weeks ago, and this past Sunday I hosted an open house. In this video, I'm going to be going over a couple of tips on what I've learned on what to do after the open house. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. Ben, your agent. Ladies and gentlemen that are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Follow me on my journey. I provide lots of great real estate content for new agents, top producers, buyers, and sellers. Let's jump right into my first tip. Number one, what to do with your open house sheet. Hopefully you got an open house sheet. I recommend one every time you do an open house. If you were able to collect information from everyone that visited, you will need to follow up and get feedback. Guys, feedback is crucial. Ask them what was bad about the house and what was good and the price. Sometimes with mine, it was actually priced correctly, and as you guys probably seen my TikTok video or whatever, but pricing is the key. It's everything, sellers and sellers agents. The key also too is listen. Whenever the buyer is giving you feedback or the buyer's agent's giving you feedback, just listen. All right, next one, discuss the feedback. This is probably the most scariest. It was kind of scary to me a little bit, but I had to muster it up. And the feedback allows the sellers to hear back from you what people are saying and what needs to be changed. Maybe you need to adjust the pricing. Whatever it is, feedback between the agent and the seller shows great communication. And then number three, keep consistent, guys. Keep consistent in your marketing and promoting. You can do it everywhere. Make sure you do it on all your social media platforms. Even your client, sellers, make sure you post it on all your social media as well, because this will help get more viewers to see your home. Second thing too you can do is prospecting, circle prospecting around the client's house, or even yourself, sellers. Tell your friends and family that you're selling your house and see if they might know someone, right? But last but not least, you can also do door knocking, just listed flyers around the neighborhood, agents. So I hope these tips were helpful. It was a quick video, but I wanted to make sure you guys understand what happens after the open house. And if it really helped you guys out, I want to hear it in the comments. Comment below. It helped me. Also, like the video. Click the like button. And also, last but not least, share this video. Thank you guys for all tuning in to this video. I appreciate every single one of you, all my subscribers and featured subscribers to come. Yah bless you. Have a great day.